After this genius idea, I've never prepared ground meat any other way again. Start by seasoning 1 kilogram of ground beef. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and mix everything very well to combine. After doing that, take a handful of this meat. Place it onto a wheat tortilla, and spread it evenly until the edges are covered. It should look like this. Repeat this process with all the meat. After doing that, stack the tortillas in a row just like I'm doing, and roll them up tightly, forming a cylinder. Then, cut it into slices about 2 finger widths thick. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Now, transfer all these slices to a large baking pan and set aside. After doing that, in a medium bowl add 7 whole eggs. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and mix everything thoroughly to combine. Take this time to share this video, and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Next, pour this egg mixture into the baking pan with the slices. Also add 100 grams of shredded cheddar cheese. Take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 40 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.